All right, 42 days of keto. I mean, not 42. It's 100. 42 was last year. 100 days of Keto Chow. Today's day 25. I'm up here in the bathroom because it's the quiet place in the house right now. That's why you can see the toilet paper roll right there. And the control for the bidet, which is right behind me. Anyway, I had to put a new wax seal on that yesterday. That was fun. Whatever. Anyway, so everything's going okay today. We've got my wife's family coming over for dinner tonight. I made the taco meat last night. Turns out it's actually really not that hard to make taco seasoning that doesn't have like flour and stuff in it. All the stuff that you buy totally has flour in it. It's weird. Or corn flour. We went to low carb Kansas City last year, and one of the vendors there was a organic, gluten-free, all this other stuff, and they gave Miriam some packets of taco seasoning that they were handing out at the low carb keto conference. Number one ingredient is corn flour, organic corn flour. So anyway, so let's see. Yeah, so I'm not going to be eating any of the tacos, which is fine. I think I've got chocolate peanut butter keto chow for dinner tonight, so that'll be delightful. I actually need to make some more because I'm down to just one. So I guess I'll be doing that tonight too. But yeah. Anyhow, short update. Catch you all on day 27.